Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, your Vice President for Education and Welfare this year. There are loads of things that you can get involved with this year, but I'm just going to pick out a few. So we're launching the housing campaign this year with a bit of a revamp, so it'll start from serendipity, where there'll be loads of posters around and information regarding what you should look for when renting a house and looking at contracts, and this will go all the way through to the housing week in the 1st of December. We're also doing an organ and blood donation awareness campaign, which is linked to Wales becoming the first country to have the opt-out scheme in December 2015. With regards to education, we are focusing on assessment and feedback this year, so this will link in with your course reps, with your schools, and also with study aid as well. With this, what we hope to do is create more of an awareness of what feedback loop your information that you give to your course reps goes through, and also how you can get more involved with that.